In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up TradingView for options trading from start to finish. By the end, you'll have TradingView configured with real-time data, an options chain alongside your charts, a live or paper trading connection, and a clear workflow to analyze and execute options trades. First, create your TradingView account. On the TradingView homepage, click Sign Up, follow the prompts, and log in. Next, get real-time market data. Options require precise, fast data to price correctly. Click your profile icon, go to Account Settings, then Billing. In the Market Data section, subscribe to real-time data for the US stock market. Confirm the exchange selection and complete the subscription so your options chain and charts update instantly while you trade. For a smoother experience, we'll download the TradingView desktop application. From the TradingView site, open the download page, install the app, and sign in. The desktop app is more responsive for multi-pane layouts and continuous monitoring. Now configure your chart and the options panel. In the top navigation, open the Products tab and select Super Chart. In the symbol search box, type a ticker, for example SPY, and load the chart. At the top left, click the Options icon or the Options Chain button to open the Options Chain panel. You should see expirations, strike prices, and calls and puts alongside your chart. To work efficiently, customize the layout. Click the Layout icon on the toolbar and choose a split view. Set one chart pane to the underlying stock or ETF and use the second pane for the selected option contract. Done this way, you can watch the underlying price action while analyzing the specific option you plan to trade. Next, set up trading, either live or paper. At the bottom of the screen, click the Trading panel. From here, choose a supported broker such as Tradeovate, Interactive Brokers, or Alpaca, and connect to trade live by logging into your brokerage account. If you prefer to practice first, select Paper Trading by TradingView. Once connected to paper trading, customize the account. Use the Reset option to set your desired starting balance so your practice account matches the size you want to simulate. This keeps your risk and position sizing more realistic while you learn the platform. Now analyze and execute your options trades. In the Options panel, select the expiration date you want, then choose your strike price. Click a specific contract to open its dedicated chart in your second pane. This gives you price movement, volume, and other data for that exact option. To build context, add indicators. Open the Indicators menu and add option-specific tools such as volume, open interest, or volatility studies. These help confirm liquidity and gauge how the contract is moving relative to the underlying. Keep your chart clean and focused on the data you actually use to make decisions. When you're ready to place a trade, you can do it from the chart. Right-click on the chart to open the order options, or use the buy and sell buttons in the order panel. Select the contract you clicked from the options chain. Choose your order details like quantity and price and confirm. If you're paper trading, this will execute in your simulated account so you can practice without risk. If you're live with a connected broker, TradingView will route the order through your brokerage connection. After entering a position, manage it directly from the chart. Use the long position or short position tools from the left toolbar to visualize your profit and loss. Click the tool, place it on your chart, and drag the handles to set your planned stop loss and take profit levels. You can adjust these levels precisely by dragging them or typing exact values. This provides a clear visual of your risk to reward before and after your entry and helps you stay disciplined once the trade is active. If you need to make changes, you can modify or close the position from the chart or the order panel without leaving your layout. At this point, your TradingView setup for options trading is complete, your data and panels are configured, and you can analyze, place, and manage options trades from start to finish. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.